Hi everyone, it's Emma Lu, and today I'm going to talk to you about the similarities and differences between plants and protists. So let's start with the similarities. Now the kingdom of protists contains a huge range of species, and they're all very, very different. The most similar protists to the plants are the algae, which is what I'll focus on for the similarities and differences. As we can see, both plants and the algae appears to be rather similar in both the appearance and the color. This is because plants actually evolved from the green algae as we see here. Thus, both algae and plants can photosynthesize. They're both primary producers and also need water to survive. In some cases, algae can be multicellular like plants. Lastly, they both have the same carbohydrate cellulose cell wall. Also, both plant and protists are both eukaryotes. Well, because they have so many similarities, you may be wondering, why aren't protists, especially algae, basically plants then? Well, algae are not plants. There are some distinct differences that separate the two. The most obvious difference is that protists and algae can both move, as we can see in the video here. Algae also lacks structure of true plants, such as roots, stems, or leaves. Protists also does not have any true tissues. Also, plants retain their embryo during development, whereas algae does not. Some protists, such as protozoas, are actually heterotrophs, whereas plants can only be autotrophs. Protists can also only live in water, whereas plants can live on land, with some living in water. Lastly, most protists are actually unicellular, and that's very different from the multicellular plants.